Welcome! This is the Online Money Machine where we will teach you the best ways to earn money online. In this video, I'm not going to talk about how to earn $2 from clicking and typing thousands of CAPTCHA codes. Instead, I will teach you how to easily make 400 bucks or more using a simple Google hack from the internet. As a background, there are only few people who know about this secret hack. And for those who have an idea, they almost always kept their mouth shut about it for whatever reason that they may have. Luckily, this channel cares about sharing information on how to make more money together than gatekeeping financial opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Let me now begin to share how to earn money from your home. For your information, this procedure can be done anywhere in the world, meaning you have unlimited choices of countries to choose from to increase earnings. Not just that, this procedure accepts various payment methods and the registration for the site is completely free. You can begin already even without any capital. So, do not exit this video and be with me until the end to see how to boost your earnings today. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now, let us truly start with the discussion on how to earn online. To begin, open the Google tab and search shrinkme.io. Click enter and the search page will show the website ShrinkMe, the highest URL shortener. Choose this site and wait to be redirected to its website. ShrinkMe will allow you to make $400 online within minutes. All you need to do is stick to my instructions and utilize my Google tip to earn money as fast as possible. In this website, people can produce a lot of money in a minute. Actually, a lot of people are earning money every minute. This is not a prank as I have proof on their website. Watch this. There is tons of income evidence and invoices that a lot of people are receiving every minute of every day. Not just that, the payment is real-time without any delays and no missed payments. You can also choose the payment method as there are a variety of options such as PayPal, Skrill, bank transfers, or Payza. It even pays in any cryptocurrency value. So, what's your preferred method? Interact in the comment section by stating your preferred method as well as your country of origin. Now, you got to hear me out. To earn $400 online, complete these 3 simple steps. First step, sign up on the website for a free account. Then, make a URL shorter using the site. Lastly, distribute the shortened URL in as many places as possible on the internet. It sounds easy already, but let me show you how it is precisely done. Sharing the URL and making sure that the system is correctly set up will help you make $100 of passive income. Continue watching this video to ensure that you will not miss out on anything important and lose the chance to make a great deal of money. The worst thing that could happen is that you won't be able to take your money out of your account, which is something we hate to see and encounter. Focus on me now as I will show you how to avoid it and the step-by-step process of earning online. So on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the register button. Press this to sign up for a free account. Create a new membership account and you will get an instant $1 sign-up bonus. There is no capital needed and the site will provide you a bonus just by signing up. To cash out, you will need to have a $5 on your account. Reminder, this site allows you to cash out daily unlike other sites which require weeks or months to get your money out. We all know how irritating it is, but on this site, you can get your money anytime using any of its wide-range payment methods. I will tell you how to earn money now by using a Google site, but I'll give you a brief outline about how this hack works. Basically, we'll find a specific video on YouTube and copy its URL. Switch tabs to ShrinkMe website and paste the copied URL on the bar. Click Shorten and the link will be shortened automatically. I will demonstrate the process after I tell you the basic workings of the site to generate a better understanding of the process. Since the URL is already short, the link can now be shared in various websites. I will share the secret on how to increase traffic on your link. Every time someone clicks the URL, you will earn money. There are different payment rates depending on the country. Like in Greenland, where 1,000 clicks on the links will provide $22 for you, while people who accessed your link in the US will get you a $10. Every person from various countries has their specific payment rates. The secret Google tip that I will tell you will allow more people from a specific country to access your link, like Greenland, where you will get $22, the largest on the site. The YouTube video that you will use should be the best, because you will not earn a lot if it's not good. Don't worry, I will tell you how to get the best video to shorten in ShrinkMe. Once you are done, add a Google tab and use this Google hack to increase earnings. I can't wait to tell you this Google tip, but before that, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. For the first tip, look for YouTube videos with excellent performance, like for example, videos about slimming videos. People like to be in shape and reduce weights. They go to YouTube to find the perfect weight reduction videos for them. Search how to lose weight video and click this filter. Choose this week, and the results will get the videos with the highest views, likes, and comments for the week. There would be a lot of videos, some posted recently and others are from the distant past. Choose the one with the most traffic. As a sample, this video has tons of views. Click it, and then highlight and copy the URL link of the video from the search bar. After copying, return to the shrinkme.io and its bar. Paste the URL. Press the button and wait until it provides you with a shortened URL. Copy the shortened link. After that, you will look for various known forums or groups about weight loss. Focus on this part and be sure to do what I am saying to know the necessary information. Add another Google tab and search for important search engine keywords, such as in our example, weight reduction forum. Doing this will generate thousands of results, as people like to create communities for shared interests to find tips and discuss about weight reduction. Those people are our target customers. What you need to do is to join these groups, like this one. These are just some of the forums. There are 1,000 more places and groups where you can post this. My hack will allow more people from Greenland to access the link, since the said country has a high payment rate. If you choose a different country like Sweden, the amount that you will earn will be lessened by 2 to 4 times of Greenland's. So, Greenland is considered as the best choice. Again, please like and subscribe to the Online Money Machine for more financial tips and techniques. For the video, the forums usually do not have a fee for sign-ups and memberships, just like this. You just need to register and sign up to this forum by providing your personal information, username, and password. Register too on other forums and groups about weight reduction so that there would be more people who can watch your video. I also need to ask a question. How can you narrow the results of your searches to include people from Ireland, Greenland, or the United States to start making money? It's also not prohibited for other people to check out your link even if they are not from the mentioned countries. But the Google tip is this. Before searching in Google, proceed to your Google settings, located at the upper right corner of your screen. Look for Advanced Search and press it. Then you will notice the Region tab in the screen. Click and choose Greenland. So, look for the Greenland in the drop box and press it. Under the page, you will see the Advanced Search button and just click it. The page will reload to show you forums about weight loss that can be seen purposefully in Greenland. Regarding other topics, you can just do the same strategy to purposely find people from Greenland to press your link. Unfortunately, we can see that the forums that you can see from Greenland are very few. Thus, the next best option is to also do this online hack to target people from Ireland or the US. To do this, click the Google settings again and pick Advanced Search. Hover in the Region tab and choose the United States or Ireland from the drop box. You can do this over and over again without getting banned or blocked because it is legal. You won't get apprehended or disciplined. You are not committing plagiarism because you're not uploading the same video or reposting them on the internet. Instead, you are just using weight reduction video links found on YouTube. It will also be a great help to the creators as more people will be able to access their videos to increase its view. They will love it and be happy what you're going to do. The trick that I have told you is just one of the many tricks out there which we will talk about in the future too. The process gives you a centered and specifically located forums which allows you to earn more money. Aside from using this Google tip, there are also various methods where you can share your shortened URL. You can do organic marketing by sharing this on Facebook, comment sections, and all the other social media applications out there. The options are all in your disposal. The goal is to make a lot of people press on the URL because when many people click it, then you will earn more money from the comforts of your home. This is how a lot of people are earning money anywhere in the world, so be one of them too. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.